Hello guys and welcome back to George Basics. In today's video I will teach you how to get FIFA 24 on your PC or laptop. Okay guys, I will show you two different options how to get FIFA 24. The first method to get the FIFA 2024 is to get it from the Steam. If you don't have a Steam, you can just go to the Google, enter the simple keyword download Steam in the search bar and download the Steam on your PC guys. First of all, sign up, and once you will sign up, then you can go to the search bar and type FIFA, and right here the first result will be EA Sports FC 24, which is FIFA 2024. Open this, scroll a little bit down, and here you will see two different options. You can get EA Sports FC 24 and you can get Ultimate Edition. They have got different prices. The minimum price for FIFA 24 is $28 on Steam. Just click add to cart, then select purchase for myself. You need to choose the payment option and then click continue button and finalize the payment. Once you will finalize the payment, then you can go to the library and in the list you will find the FIFA 24. Then you can install the game into your PC. We have got another option to get FIFA 2024, and I will tell you that it is much cheaper than this one. So to get FIFA 2024, you can also use Epic Games, download Epic Games into your PC. Epic Games are giving us a nice $10 coupons. You can check if you have got the coupon. Most likely you will have it. Just click this N button in the top right corner, and here you will see this text coupon available. If you don't have a coupon, you can get it very simply. Just scroll a little bit down on the main page, and here you will see the free games section where you need to get the free game which Epic Games is offering us. For example, today they are offering us Fallout 3. Just click the game. I already have this game into my library. You don't need to pay anything, and once you will get the free game, then they will give you a $10 coupon guys, which we need to buy FIFA 24. Now to buy FIFA, we need to go to the search bar and type FIFA, select the FIFA 2024, and right here guys, you can see that it costs $28. Then you need to click the buy now button, and as you can see guys, with the coupon discount we are getting it for $18.75. So you just need to finalize the payment and you will get FIFA 2024 on Epic Games, which will be in the library. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to click the like buttons.